Vola banze nkola bwomu siyina kifo mu gavumenti jongwe wange musimanyi side ya kwetaaga asidi kasambuza sabiti hii maneno ya kulu ona jua ya asidi musambira ku kyalani kubanga we do arrest me nti nakale majja ampa businge ko nti bateze sente. I'm not working in the government. What I'm getting is akasimo na bibala byonna
olinze bulinzi kasi
nti you cannot find a woman who does not belong to you. The woman is divorced, you find her dancing in a dancing hall no mukuba oluyibakuba omukubangana
ngati yanoba.
For me you arrest me as who? A government institution deals me as who? Inguni tokutuko si
ba RDC bano bayinza kola batokutukiriza
tebasobola because they are not answerable to the president.